last marshmallow with our Fruity Pebbles. Just gonna shake it all over. You're gonna grab your butter slices and you're gonna put them on top of your Fruity Pebbles and on top of your marshmallows. This is going to help everything stick together. And stick this in the oven until your marshmallows get soft and gooey. That's it for now. So our marshmallows are all ready to be mixed together. So we're gonna go ahead and mix all of our marshmallow fluff together. Perfect. All right, you're gonna grab some of your marshmallow fluff with Fruity Pebbles and you're gonna put it into your pan.
Okay.
So you're basically creating a bowl and you're gonna push against your crust to make sure that you get all of that marshmallow fluff in there. All right guys, once you have created your crust, you're gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer to let this set. You need 16 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Look at how delicious that looks. Half a cup of powdered sugar. Put that all in there. Perfect. And you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but you're going to go ahead and put a little bit of food coloring. Just a couple drops. You want this to be a really pretty color. And next, you're going to go ahead and give this a mix.
Did you mean to do that? No. Do it slower.
I had it on one.
That was one?
That was one.
Put it near the bottom and try it again.
I did have it at the bottom. I was touching it at the bottom of the bowl.
All right, here it is.
Cheesecake that I made. No bake, so easy. You're gonna go ahead and pour all of that into your bowl that we made. Just pour the whole thing. Yep, our Fruity Pebble marshmallow bowl. Just smooth that out with our spatula. Look how pretty that looks. Doesn't it smell delicious? Alright guys, so we're all done with our cake. Now all you're going to do is just put this in the freezer for a few hours. It's gonna look so pretty when I cut this open. Alright guys, our cheesecake is all done. I left it in the freezer for a few hours. This is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. I'm using Cool Whip. I'm using this really cool contraption that I've never used before. I'm just gonna make little dollops. Look at how nice that looks.
Yeah, that is nice.
I know what you guys were thinking. Oh my gosh, that looks a little bit questionable, right? Because when I took it out, I said the exact same thing, so don't worry. So we are gonna use this, and this is so easy to use. You don't need any special skills. Like I said, guys, this is my first time using this thing. And look at how beautiful everything's starting to come. I know, right?
I think you're running out. You have to refill.
Refill. And refill time.
Can you get enough?
Oh, let's see.
Oh,
I think I was too greedy over there. We went ahead and refilled this little thing. And we're just gonna go. We need one more.
Yay.
Beautiful. And I'm gonna do one here. Let's do a big one here. Look at how beautiful.
Oh, that's great.
We're not done. It looks funny. I have some sprinkles here.
Okay.
You don't have to do this. I'm gonna do it, but I want to know what you think. Do you think I should put it on the pink or on the white? I think the pink.
All right, put it on the pink.
I think the pink. Oh my
Look at that.
gosh.
That's good.
Look how pretty. Now, of course, you guys only want to do this on a special occasion. This isn't something that you would make every time because this is very sugary. But the marshmallows were fat-free, so that's nice.
All right.
All right. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test, but I love how this looks. Look at that. It looks so festive and pretty. I'm starving, guys. I am ready to gonna grab a scoop.
You're just grabbing the scoop?
I'm just grabbing a scoop, right?
Okay.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, I don't even want to mess it up. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna grab a scoop from here.
So you get marshmallows and all the pink goodness.
Look at how beautiful.
Okay.
It looks like pink fairy unicorn ice cream.
Yes.
Alright. Mmm. So delicious. Misty,
Can I try some?
you wanna try this?
It looks so good.
You have to try it. Mmm.
What all is in this?
Marshmallow. You need to get some of the crust.
Some of the crust.
Mm-hmm. Just get in there, girl.
It's so pretty.
You got this.
You got it. Oh.
Oh, I'm making a mess.
Misty.
Can I use my fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, yay.
Is it crunchy?
Is it
delicious?
it's crunchy? The crust is crunchy?
Mm.
It's crust.
Okay.
Wow, that's really good. It
I want
really
some of
is
that.
good. It's hard to describe. It's light and fluffy, and
Mm-hmm. It's
Marshmallowy.
actually not too sweet.
no, it's not too sweet.
Oh, I thought
It's
it would be way too
creamy.
sweet.
No.
Definitely, the cheesecake is nice.
So someone actually got mad. Not mad, but they were like, hey, Kyle deserves some.
Oh, he didn't get a bite. Did
No, they said that he should try it. Should we let him try it?
he? Yeah.
All
Here
right.
you go. You want a fork though? He's weird and he only eats his desserts with a
Oh,
fork.
it's a fork.
I know, isn't he weird?
All right.
Mmm.
Yum. All right.
See what you think.
Mm.
It's good,
The
right?
crust puts everything together.
You did good.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well,
It's good.
you guys have fun. I'm gonna take this upstairs and eat it all.